Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this channel, I am sharing lot of video content on machine learning, artificial intelligence, and generative AI, and also in data engineering technologies. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos on these technologies. In this video, I am going to focus on one of the LLM platform, which is basically OpenRouter, the unified interface for LLMs. So there are many LLMs model available like GPT models from OpenAI and Gemini models from Google and many more like Olama is a platform for hosting your open source models, and you have open source models like Llama from Meta, which is a Facebook. There are many models available. So if you want to use the model which is close to models like GPT models or Gemini, you need to subscribe that model or pay the model for the usage. You need to pay the API. You need to achieve. You need to get the. I'm sorry. You need to get the API key by paying it, right? So if you say example, if you want to build a prototype and initially you don't want to spend it, right? So either you can go for the open source models, which is available through either Olama or platform like Olamas to host the open source model on your local machine if you have good infrastructure or good laptops. And suppose if you don't have that option as well, then you need to look for the platforms like OpenRouter or GROQ. These are the platforms or interfaces which provides access to these models. Some people are giving free for your prototype building. So one among that is the OpenRouter. So I'm going to talk about this platform and how to create an account in this platform, OpenRouter platform, and how to create the API key so that you can using this API key you can interact with the different LLM models available through OpenRouter. Okay, so let me uh, I already recorded or already created the account and API keys. I just taken all the information as a screenshot. I'm going to walk through this. Since I'm already created, I cannot again go and create the new account. So if you go to the openrouter.ai, you will see this web page. This is the home page of the openrouter.ai web page. Click on this models hyperlink, then you will be launched with this page. So models, where it is going to list down the models which is supported by this open router. So there are open source models, there are paid models like closed models. So now what we'll do is we will just try to filter the llama model, which is open source free model from the Meta, which is Facebook. If you type llama free, right? So in the llama itself there are different flavor of it, right? Model with the different parameters. So some models are open router is giving for paid. So I just said that's the reason I filtered like llama free. So llama 3.3 um, 70 billion instruction fine-tuned model is free. So we will try to use this model. Means we will create a API key for this model. So click on this hyperlink, then you will be opened with this model which you clicked, and then you see here there is no $0 per input tokens as well as the output token, which is free. If you scroll down bit, so there is the different tabs you can explore about these models, and then just the previous you click on this quick start tab. You open the model llama 3.370 billion instinct model, and then you have multiple tabs. Go to the quick start tab, and then you find the, if you scroll down you will find the sample code to interact with the models using APIs. So for that we need to create a API key. So click on this create API key. Then you need to create an account. Before creating the API key, you need to create an account in OpenRouter. So you'll be either you can go using the your Google account or other GitHub account. So I'm going to use that's one option. The other option is you can provide your email address and then create account. So I just going to use this second option. I'll enter your email address and password. This is the password for this OpenRouter platform. So I just given my email ID, then password, and then click on this agree checkbox, and then create. So you may ask this, you may be prompted with this verify you are a human. This because some many people are creating using bots, so that's the reason they put this reCAPTCHA. And then once you click on that, you will be sent a verification email to your email address, the email address which is provided in the previous uh, section. Then open your email inbox, then you will see this mail OpenRouter your sign up link. Click on that, and then click on sign up to OpenRouter. Then again this link will launch your new page, and then in the new tab, so you again click on verify you are a human. Once you clicked it, so successfully signed up, and you can return back to the original. So this page we came from the email, right? So now you go back to the original page where you created the account. Okay, so you started creating the account. So now this is asking where did you first hear about the OpenRouter. So I actually seen one of the YouTube videos. So I just given YouTube, continue, and then you are all set. So you can go and create the API key. Click on create API key again. One more page opening. Then again create this create API key button. Then you can provide the name for it. Okay, so I just given my demo API key. Then you can specify some limits. I'm just keeping as it is. I just given my name and keeping. So you can also set the expiry date for your API key. So I'm not giving anything. I'll just keep it as it is. So then create. Then the API key is created. So you need to copy this API key and keep it somewhere, because you will not able to see it again. So that's the reason they're saying you can copy and keep it safe. Then you can just use this button to copy and have it in some places. Then you can also um, um, close this button, or you can click on this hyperlink to see the sample codes. um, then you will see this API key being created, right? Then if you go back the open router, if you just go to the openrouter.ai /docs /quick start page, you'll be able to see different way to connect uh, the OpenRouter APIs using the API keys. So using the OpenRouter API key directly in this section, what we are going to see is basically using the request. There is a Python package called request where you can make the REST API calls. So that's option they given. There are multiple options like using OpenRouter SDK. We will discuss on how to connect those OpenRouter API using the plain request package, and also OpenRouter SDK in the future videos. If you have any questions, please put the comments, post your questions or the feedbacks or comments on this video section. I'm happy to help you. Please subscribe to my channel, and share this technical information to your friends. Thank you so much, friends.